Hi, this is Harish Bali from Technofare.com. To make a password protected folder on Mac, press Command and Spacebar from keyboard and type disk utility. Click on new image from the top. Set the name of the folder that you want to create. I am putting this as test folder. Select tags, location where you want to save it. I am putting this as desktop. Set the name for the virtual drive. I am naming this as Harish Bali. Set the size from the preset sizes that are available or custom it 1 GB. Basis your requirement, you can choose the format option. Since I am going to create a password protected folder on Mac, so I am choosing the default Mac OS Extended Journaled. When you enable journaling on a disk, a continuous record of changes to files on a disk is maintained in the journal. Encryption. 128-bit AES encryption is recommended. This option is less secure but is really faster. 256-bit is more secure but it's slower. If you don't choose an encryption, your new image won't be encrypted. Partitions. Create separate virtual drive in Finder windows. Apple directly supports three different partition schemes: Apple Partition Map, Master Boot Record, and GUID, which is globally unique identifier. Apple Partition Map and GUID work only on Mac. You should use Apple Partition Map only if you are using OS X version 10.4 or earlier. Master Boot Record is also known as FDisk. Choose this scheme if you will be using the disk as a secondary disk for Windows operating system you installed using Bootcamp. For now, I am choosing Apple Partition Map. Let's understand various image formats. Sparse disk image. It is an automatically expanding disk image that shrinks and grows as needed. No additional space is used. It uses the .sparse image file extension. That means you can create a 50 GB sparse disk image and yet only 10 GB of data inside it. The disk image will consume only 10 GB of space on your hard disk, but it will be capable of storing up to 50 GB of data. Sparse bundle disk image uses when you are going to store small size files in a folder. It uses .sparse bundle extension. It has the ability to read and write, but on the same system. Let's now talk about read write disk image. This is a traditional disk image. It will let you read as well as write on the image. Difference between this particular option and sparse disk image is that it is not automatically expandable. DVD CD master. This is suitable if the objective is to burn the content on DVD or CD as it stores file in the .cdr extension. For now, I am choosing read write disk image. Let me now go ahead and create the folder. Set a password. Uncheck this box. Remember password in the keychain. .dmg folder as well as the virtual drive both have got created on the desktop. Through a right click, I am ejecting this virtual folder. Now if I need to open this, double click on it, enter the password protected folder, and here's the virtual folder. Now I can easily move data up to 1 GB of space into this virtual folder like this and use it. For some reason, if you wish to increase the storage capacity of virtual folder, you will have to do that at two different places. I'll show you how to do that. Let me first exit this. Go to disk utility from Spotlight search. Click on the folder. Click on resize disk image from the top right. Enter password. Mention the revised storage data that you need. I am putting this now at 5 GB. Resize. Let me now check the revised size by doing a right click, get info, and it's now set to 5 GB. Open the folder. Go back to disk utility. Click on the folder, then partition. Increase the size to 5 GB and apply. Are you sure you want to partition the disk? Yeah. Let's also check the size of the virtual disk by doing a right click. get info. It has also turned to 5 GB. If you wish to remove the password protected folder, then simply eject the virtual folder through a right click and move this to the trash. That is all about password protecting folders on Mac. If you want to learn about how to hide folders on Mac, you can do that by clicking on the link that's appearing in front of your screen. Also watch other good videos by clicking on the links that you can see. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and thanks for watching.